Everyone, this is Manish Singh and welcome to my channel again for the weekly review on Indian market, Nifty, gold, silver and USD. Last week we had discussed Nifty has never given closing below 22,000 in a weekly setup. Okay, so this is the 22k where the Nifty has never given a closing below that in weekly setup and never given closing above the 22,550. So this was the weekly setup and we had the discussion that once the Nifty moves above that or gives the closing above that weekly closing, we will get the breakout, and it has given a closing above 22,550 on a weekly setup. Okay, so what next? That is the big question. How long it will go, where we can see the profit booking, everything we are going to discuss. So this is a daily chart where what we can see that Nifty has formed a triple bottom pattern, and after forming a triple bottom pattern, instead, like we can see, this is also a very good double bottom also. So in a daily chart, and then finally it has given a breakout at 22,775. This is the level where the Nifty has given the breakout. So upper side 23,080 is the immediate resistance, as what we can see that this is the long trend line which is we called as a seller line. The Nifty has almost reached there. So once if Nifty reaches to 23,080 to 23,130, one must do some profit booking, and what I'm expecting that Nifty may test these level. First is 22,950 and another is 22,775. so if it comes like that, it will take a proper support. This line is ascending line, so the price will get some space to move further, and which can touch Nifty, which can give the Nifty new high of 23,200. This is purely a technical view. We don't have any event related analysis right now, as we know that like we have a parliament election result on 4th of June. So considering that in mind, we need to be a little careful. Patience and hedging is very important in that particular period. So the support level what we have discussed is 22,775, then 22,950, and then resistance level is 23,080 to 23,150. So these are the levels which we can see in this coming week. So trade according to the labels. Nifty is definitely maintaining the labels. What we have seen this breakdown things where these breakdown happen just to exit the weak traders, weak legs which were available in the market. So in the previous video also I have discussed that the weak legs, Nifty has filtered the weak legs and then it will bounce back strongly. Okay, because due to the event, many traders are thinking that market may fall, market may give correction. Some people are saying market will give 30%, 20%, market will reach 22k, 20k. So there was many negative news were running, and so you know that the market works on sentiment. Technical data analysis all are fine, because the technical thing what we are trying to understand is there in the chart, on the chart, and each and every person can see that, and the data also everyone can see what is happening in the market. But the sentiment which is running around during that period, only smart trader can understand then how to filter the weak traders and when to filter the weak traders and then go with the big move. So whenever retail traders are thinking that market बहुत ऊपर चला गया है, market has made a high, अब correction आएगा, they might wait, keep on waiting, but it will not come. Once their patience will give up, then the market will respond. So these are the labels which we had discussed. In a weekly candle, if you see, this is the beautiful breakout of double bottom pattern. You can see that triple bottom pattern and the breakout. So weekly chart is very good. So here we can see this is the broadening formation in the Nifty. So this broadening formation suggests that if Nifty can touch here, it can take these supports. If not, then it can fall till here. So this broadening formation is always very volatile, and it gives the big high and big low. Okay, so be careful in coming days and then trade according to the labels. Let's move on. Gold, as we had discussed in many previous videos, like the gold, when the gold was far below this level 61 or something like that, then from that time I am just holding my same view that this is the long trend line, and where gold need to take a pause. And then exactly the previous month, April month, it has taken the pause, and then this month also say at the same level with a little high, because this is the ascending line, it has taken the pause. In the previous video, what we had discussed was that gold will make a double top, which is pending. According to that, we had taken a position nearly to this, and then gold has made the high of this. It has made the double top. These are the levels 71, and after that 69,960. This level would be the most important level for the gold if it has to move further up. So on immediate basis, what I'm looking at, this is the support which it has taken, and then from here we may see the bounce back towards another 75k. And if it's not holding 71,000, then we may see the further downside towards 69,900. Okay, so then we'll plan accordingly. And as we can see this weekly setup, that this is the big candle of a weekly chart the previous week till Friday. This weekly candle suggests the engulfing candle pattern, and which can lead towards further downside as per the candle chart pattern. Okay, if it holds 71k, then we can see further upside move in the gold, or else 69,900 even is a immediate support. Let's move on to silver. As like as a gold, silver has also a top seller line which has already touched near to 95,950. So this is the high. So this inverse head and shoulder breakout has given a big move. It may take some support and then can further move we can see in the silver. So silver is looking to correct little bit more, and what we can see that in a weekly setup, it has made a kind of a shooting star candle pattern, and it can go further down. So these are the level in the on the silver, and on the immediate basis 86,120 around is a support. So we need to look into that, and then if take the support, it can go further upside. So silver has technically moved according to the chart, and it has given the strong resistance at 95,900. Okay, so that's all on the silver part. Let's see the USD INR. This USD INR, same chart, same pattern, same setup and all what we had done long back, and nothing. We have just price is following the technical pattern, and then it's moving according to that. Okay, so it is looking to give a breakdown, but its confirmation happens once it further gives the breakdown towards 83. So currently 83.16 is a resistance, and lower side 82.60 660 is a support. So this is the range, and higher side 83.70 is the resistance. So same symmetrical pattern. If it gives the breakdown, we can see further fall in the chart. So these are the level for the USD INR. So I hope I have given a view on a clear view on the Nifty. and then gold, silver and USD INR. The conclusion on the market is Nifty inching towards the resistance, gold is inching towards the support, right? And USD INR is also given a breakdown or kind of a support also. We can see that near to the support. So our market, Indian market, is inching towards the resistance. So if the gold reverse, we may see further fall in Nifty. I'm not saying that exactly it can happen the same day, but it can happen in a few days, but the pattern may reverse, because with what we have seen in the past, it happens according to that only. So the best way of trading the event is to trade in a hedge way, and that can happen through the option strategy by doing strategies, implementing these strategies in the options. How to use the option strategies, for that more information you can WhatsApp me. And if you want long-term portfolio building in Indian market with the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis, and also for the short-term profit like weekly swing trades, we provide some guidance on that. Last week I have discussed about one fundamental and swing trade long-term stocks from the small cap is Patel Engineering, which I had said like I have taken around 55, and this week it has given a more than 13% return, and then still holding the level, and I'm expecting this particular stock to move towards a higher end with the support of 62 towards the these levels 68, 73 and 79. So this is the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it has given the breakout. It is trying to take the support near 62. So once it takes the support near 62, it can move for further upside. So it's a purely a technical view. If in between any event news or any thing happens, like it's a totally a different aspect. So this is the stock which we had discussed in last week. One more stock what I'm looking positive on that is RTN Power. So this particular stock also had very good view, and I have taken around 9 to 10 rupees, and then it's still moving up. So you can see that this next level is 17 and then 23. So it has given a breakout in a monthly inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the target looks 17 and 23. So then support level is 11, and the next support level will be 13 to 14, and this stock also I'm looking very positive on that. So it's my personal view, and I'm not giving any recommendation on that to buy or sell. You can take your own view on that, and you can take your advisor's view and then move forward. Okay, for more information you can WhatsApp me on the number which is already given in the description box. So thanks a lot for joining the video. Meet you next week for the same weekly review on Nifty, gold, silver and USD INR. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay healthy, stay happy, happy trading. Thank you.